What's up, Euphoric? How you guys doing? Today we are at Lime Rock Park in Connecticut, and we are at Miatacon, the cutest car show in the world. As the name suggests, this is a car show dedicated to the Mazda Miata. Miata's on the track behind me. There's Miatas parked up everywhere. So let's go and take a look. Yo, speaking of cutie, what's up,
Hey, what's up, bro?
We also got Adam in here. What's up, Adam? And we got Ross.
Yes, sir.
What's good, bro?
That's the legend right there.
The legend. Alright, so it's not a Miata, but we got this cool little, I guess a replica GR Cup car. It looks kind of nice. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Number 13, that's my lucky number. Shout out Supercar Turbo and his friend. That's sick, I love it. So far I've only really taken a look at the autocross track. So we're gonna head over to the paddock and see if we can see anything cool there. Yo, what?
Mike took the car. What the fuck?
Bro.
What the hell?
Yo, are we stuck here?
Yeah, dude, he left us, man.
Damn.
Better start walking home.
That's crazy. Oh my god!
Oh, my pants are falling. my friend said he's down by the There's like a show down there.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to go check it out, there's
Yeah,
like a holding out. You want to go down there?
Yeah, I'm done.
Let's go.
So we're not gonna be going to the paddock, we're gonna be going down to the car show. Yeah, I guess let's take a look. Yeah, that's a sick Miata.
It's a German Miata.
Oh!
Yeah, you know.
Yo, Ross, you parked here?
Yes. Oh my god.
Man, that is a beauty.
Yeah. Thoughts?
I like. I want mine to look like this.
Yeah, I like that. I like.
I love how this is a video centralized on Miatas, and we've looked at more non-Miatas than Miatas so far. That's gonna change in a second with the showdown thing. So take a look. Alright, so that was the car show, and that was pretty sick. A lot of cool cars. I haven't seen that many Miatas together in my life. We are back here at the autocross track, taking a look at some of these really good drivers. Yeah, that guy's been tearing it up since we got here. Yeah, this guy's insane. I love seeing people pushing their cars, especially like a Miata, to its limits. Love to see it. Alright guys, so hear me out. Next euphoric project car, Mazda Miata? Adam? What are your thoughts? Next euphoric project car, Mazda Miata.
They said you wanted a drift car.
Yeah, still gotta finish the E36. If it's like 1,500, I will buy it for you right now.
Really?
Oh yeah, 48,000 miles. Yeah, that is definitely.
That's gonna be a lot more than asking 8,000. Oh, but look how clean it is though.
Yeah, it's. I'm sure we could offer like
No.
1,000. If you're interested in a Miata, hit this guy up.
Just the wheels, honestly. The wheels are the biggest part.
One thing I want to point out also is just the view, the scenery, and the roads coming up here were so nice. I didn't drive my Corolla, but I really wish I did. I think next time I come up here, I gotta take the Corolla. Maybe next year I'll do like a track day around Lime Rock. I'm kind of used to the track from iRacing, so we should be fine. But now we're gonna head down to the paddock, walk down the hill. Let's catch up to Adam. Yeah, we have really nice Miatas here.
D-Works is a local family-owned business driven to assist the content in growing. D-Works is here to help pollinators. Pollinating insects face many challenges.
Oh my god. The radar engine.
And we had a sequential in there for a long time. We had a Bridgeport in it.
Bridgeport? Oh, nice.
Made about 240 at the wheels.
Yo, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, please leave a like, share the video, comment on it, and subscribe. Check out our friend Miata Mike. His channel link's gonna be in the description. Check out our Instagram page, our TikTok. We try to post on there as much as possible. And stay tuned for more. We have a handful of new videos coming out soon, so subscribe, make sure you don't miss those. Have a good one.